Good morning, everyone. It's a balmy 17 degrees here in central Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to try a cold start on my 2500 Cummins. It's been parked for about a month, so let's see how it goes. If I can find the keys. I'll let the grid heater run a few cycles. We had an overnight low of 3 degrees last night, so imagine the engine block's a little colder than 17 degrees. Don't want to smoke out the neighbors, so we'll wait them out. Cool. They shut their garage door. Always be considerate to your neighbors so they don't get pissed off about your big diesel truck. Run the grid heater 1 or 2 more times. We'll give it a try then. It's fucking cold in here. Alright, let's try it. She started. My throttle's getting stuck. That's cool. Oh yeah. She's not very happy. Starting to get some good smoke. I have to manually high idle this truck because it shuts off. So I keep this handy little brick. Let's get it started again. Let it high idle for a minute. Of course, get the good grid heater. Oh yeah. So smoky. Got a dump right behind the cab. I'm surprised it started this easily. I have this thing timed out right now. But it's running. Good old Cummins. Once she's running on more than 3 cylinders, I'm going to try to drive this thing. But thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys later.